Hello guys, today we're gonna playing a things and people. So this actually my third favorite game. My first favorite game is fish. Second is big paintball. And I troll people here and I am Noah. Guess what? YouTube. This is how I troll people. First you need 1,000 and buy this. I will and hold it and 3 to 1 launch it. Boom. That's my trolling guide if you want to troll people. Hey, troll. Bro, I always start a war here. This is how to start a war. You just throw them all. Bro, what the hell is happening? Troll them all, troll them all, troll them hard. Troll, not throw, okay? Yeah, you can throw, uh, throw everyone. Bro, I always make good friend, bro. I start an entirely freaky war. Like, bro, someone make a team and war with me, bro. Whenever I attack them, bro, there's so many. They're gonna, what's that called? They're gonna throw me to the void. Yeah. And if I throw one of them, bro, all of them are gonna be angry. There, bro. I started the war now, bro. Bro, they're warring. This I told you what will happen. War! That's always what I do to fling attention people. And I already gave all of you tutorials. Bro, that's the tutorial how, and this is a tutorial how to fling people. Here, that's why it's called fling a thing people. Here, first off, we're gonna do this. And if you do that, press the left left click of the mouse like that. And this and throw very hard, and they will go across the map. I will troll people again. You can even do this. Boom, like that. Troll. I learned this for my friend. He always do that to me, bro. Someone's fighting you. Nah, let's troll them. Bro, you need something? Troll equipment. Boom. Trolling. This is my new favorite troll. And bro, it just took me 3 hours to get 1K because I always spin that wheel. Oh, this is how to lose them and wrestle. Bro wants to die with me. Farewell. Say goodnight. Boom. Boom. Don't touch that. You touch my talala. Bam, guli. Bam, guli, ram, sam. Bro, no. This what, ito yung, ay, Filipino. Yes. Bro, ito yung no, bro, no, don't do this. You will die with me. If I die, you will die first. No, we died together. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next. Bro, don't fake a war without me. Everybody want to be trolled, yeah. So be then. Just be red. Rocket is amazing for trolling. No, bro, no, no, bro. The rocket saved me. So it, yeah, the rocket is also a save. No, bro, this guy is annoying. That's what I do. Yeah, they're coming to me for revenge. Stay away from me. Stay away. Stay away. I am the wind. Who's your favorite Demon Slayer character anyways? Type in the comment section. Mine is Gay.